All right, Michael, can you believe we're talking about Dairy Forum 2025 again? I mean, it's in 2 months. Where has the time gone?
Blows my mind. 2025? I mean, it doesn't seem possible, man.
This year we have chosen the theme Limitless.
Yeah.
Tell me about that theme. Why did we choose it? What does it mean exactly?
Well, you know, Matt, we want to take advantage of all the excitement for growth, the new investment, the innovation, and the new markets that are coursing through our industry. Consumption is growing, exports remain strong, and dairy is becoming central to the health and wellness solutions. And our opportunities as an industry, they are indeed limitless, Matt.
Yeah, networking opportunities are limitless at Dairy Forum. I mean, if I had one message for anyone considering going to Dairy Forum, I would definitely stress networking opportunities, meeting people, getting yourself introduced to new folks, thinking about your career path. Michael, tell me about some of the networking opportunities at Dairy Forum. Why are they so important?
Within this industry, which is so focused on business to business deals. And I can't tell you how many people tell me that they met someone at Dairy Forum 20 years ago and they're still doing business with them today. That, Matt, is the value of networking. And there are a number of networking opportunities between receptions, gatherings, golf, a 5K, and a cornhole tournament to support the IDFA Foundation, and other forms of entertainment, not to leave out the bar at night.
On networking, one thing I might tell people is that regardless of where you are in your professional journey at all levels, Dairy Forum has a networking opportunity for you, probably has a session for you to learn more about leadership. And this year we have a very special session with McKinsey called The 4 Seasons of the CEO. Tell me about that, and how did that come together?
We are seeing a tremendous transition of leadership in this industry, which I find exciting. And this year, we're seeing the 4 seasons of the CEO. We have 4 of our CEOs, leaders in our dairy industry, that will be on a panel.
And not just those speakers and not just those panels, but Dairy Forum has some of the best speakers of any business conference really in food. Tell me about some of those special sessions and some of those special speakers that we have lined up this year at Dairy Forum 2025.
Well, we have Carla Harris on the leadership side. She's vice chairman at Morgan Stanley. From the business side, from the political side, from the economic side, we are thrilled to have former Speaker Kevin McCarthy. I don't think there's anyone that'll have any more insights into this next Congress and this next administration from both a Democrat perspective and a Republican perspective, because he has worked with all of those leaders. Given all the economic uncertainty and geopolitical issues in the world today, we're very, very thrilled to have former CIA Assistant Secretary Eric Trope. We're also thrilled, this year we have Tom Halverson, the CEO of CoBank.
That sounds like a great lineup. Well, Michael, thanks so much for joining me today, and I want to encourage anybody out there thinking about registering for Dairy Forum 2025. Now's the time to visit the IDFA website. Go to dairyforum.org or dairyforum.com and register today.
Look forward to seeing you in San Antonio in January 2025. Don't miss it.